Independence Day speech. Good morning, everyone. Today we are celebrating our Independence Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. This year we are celebrating our 77th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. Our great freedom fighters devoted their life for our country. We should be grateful to their sacrifice. We should honor their bravery and sacrifice. On this day, national flag is hoisted on every public place. Independence Day motivates us to love our country. I am very proud to be an Indian.
I love my country very much. Jai Hind.